Good morning, happy traders. I go by the name of Prosperous Dami, and I'm here again with a second video in regards to my demo account at nadex.com. And I just wanted to get you all informed about a trade I recently took that I'm going to stay in. I actually decided to go long. I made a sale, so give me just a second to get this layout reset for you. Alrighty. So basically, at this point, I made a sale. I was losing in the trade monies on my investment. However, due to the analysis, I was able to understand the market's flow and liquidity, and ultimately, get in where I pretty much fit in. So here, I'm going to stay in this trade. I basically indicated that the price was going to go below the dollar yen at 112.80, expiry being 3 p.m. with 3 hours and 3 minutes left for today. My trade time was 11:29, and as you can see, it's 11:56. So I plan to stay long in this trade. Don't really plan to exit it at all at this point. Very confident with what I chose to do. So enough of that. Let's go ahead and get to the real reason why I decided to show you this trade. Now, as I stated, it's always a good thing to understand the overall flow of the market. And here in this case, I was able to determine that, okay, we're going to go ahead and end up being in what is called an uptrend. Okay, so this uptrend is going to last for some time. However, it's going to stay below the given price of 112.80. So currently I'm in a winning trade coming off of a losing trade, which converted to a winning trade, or in this case, a return on income. So we're going to go ahead and continue to let this trade play out. I'm very sure that I will eventually take profits in the money. I may end up taking my profits somewhere in this area here, but it just depends. Thank you for tuning in. Again, my name is Prosperous Dami, and if you're wanting some information on how to get into the stock market and begin to trade like a professional, winning 100% of all of your trades, I am the persons that will be able to assist you with that for a fee. Again, you can find my email in the description listed below. Thank you for tuning in today. Again, my name is Prosperous Dami, and have a great day.